Yo, what's up, peeps? Yo, this is your boy Big Earl, aka the Digital Geek. Yo, I don't really know how to start this video other than to tell y'all that today, man, I'm feeling really, really good. As many of you who know me know that I've been trying to trade Forex for over a year now. But I got to tell you, I recently got with a group known as Pip Society by Leo Williams. Now, my story is quick, goes like this. I started with a few other groups over a year ago, and I lost a lot of money because, I followed the strategies, but it just wasn't bringing me any money. I wasn't really having much success. I win $1 here, $7 there, $5 here, but I would lose more than I was winning. So, I kind of got distraught about the whole thing. So I kind of stepped away from it, but I still dabble with demo. Now, fast forward to a year later, which is about a month ago. I was running around on YouTube, and I came across a video by Leo Williams. And in the video, the brother was talking about, a strategy that you just can't lose at if you follow it to the T. And that strategy was trading, the M and W patterns, which are double tops, double bottoms at the high and low of the day, and when to get in. So, it kind of blew me away because I was like, damn, I ain't never really heard nobody talk about this. So I watched the video. Halfway through the video, my spirit was on fire, man. I couldn't get it out of my head. So I watched the whole video. To make a long story short, I watched the whole video, and then I watched it like 2 more times. So all day long, I couldn't get it out of my mind. I was like, yo, I got to try this. So that night, I tossed and turned. I finally went to sleep. Woke up about, I say 3:30ish, 3:45ish. And I pulled open my MetaTrader 4 on my laptop, and I started looking. And man, Euro USD, first glance, double top, first leg. Man, my EMAs, I was looking at that, and I went to the daily. I looked at that, looked at the 4 hour, 1 hour, all that stuff. I was like, man, I kept hearing his teaching that in that quick YouTube video rolled through my head. So I was like, okay. And then all of a sudden I looked again. I saw the second leg of the high of the day forming. So I was a little hesitant, but I said, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and place this trade. So I placed the trade. Man, it must have been like not even 5 minutes into the trade on the 15-hour chart. Man, my account, I put basically a $2 trade on it, which was 0.20. Man, in less than like 10 minutes into the trade, I was at $75, $76, $78. I freaked the hell out, and I closed the trade immediately. But I knew right then and there that this was a winning strategy. I jumped up, woke my wife up like 4 or 5 up in the morning, showed her. She was all excited because she hadn't seen me excited like that. I'm a military veteran. I have PTSD, so, I struggle with a lot of things. But, that really began my progress to healing. Because, coming out of the military, it was hard for brothers to get jobs, and all the crap going on in the country. Anyway, so I knew that I had to join Pip Society. So, I done paid my bills, so I was broke. I borrowed some money from my wife and my sister, $199, and I got online. I paid for Pip Society training, got in the membership, boom. I started training. I started watching the videos for 2 weeks. Like I said, I had been trading in the past, so I was familiar with how to trade. I watched the video for 2 weeks. 2 weeks later, boom, I got in, looked at the charts. I saw an opening. 4 o'clock in the morning again. I placed one standard. I broke it down into 2 trades of 0.50 $5 trades. Do you know in less than 2 hours, I took my $525 trade, which I had originally started out with $1,000 some months later, but I done lost almost half of that with other stuff. I ain't gonna get into that. But I took my remaining $525 trade, and you know what ended up happening in less than 2 hours? Those 2 trades closed out at $759 and like 40, maybe 50, 60 something cent. Right then and there, I knew Pip Society was the real deal. Since then, I've been an avid member of Pip Society training, and I love Pip Society. Leo, my brother, thank you so much, man. I watch your training videos over and over and over a day. Again, every day, all day. Now, today is what? June, what, 22nd, 23rd? No, 25th. As of today, my account is now $4,530 and some change. Thank you, Leo William. Your training has allowed me to triple my account size. I made back my 500 something plus $4,000. And that's just the beginning. For all of y'all making YouTube videos talking shit, excuse my language, about Pip Society, yo, to hell with y'all. Pip Society is the real deal, and I will always be thankful to Leo, and I will always be supportive of his training and Pip Society. And if you haven't joined Pip Society yet, yo, I don't know what y'all waiting on. So this is your boy, Tony Mitchell, a.k.a. Big Earl, the Digital Geek. Peace out, and I hope to see y'all later on. Join Pip Society, folks. It'll change your life.